Hello everyone, let's start a new video on VSTS Sprint channel and I talk about on Sprint 135 and this feature is customize column options in the Work Items Hub. This feature belongs only on Queries Hub. When you create a new Work Item query, you have a column option. Now you have this option, column option on Work Items Hub. Let's go start. Click on Work Items, okay? And you have you have column options here, and then we click on column options and you create and or add new column example. I will add column assigned to. Okay, I add other column priority example and I click OK button, and now you have these columns on your work item hub. This optional example assigned to me. I have other queries here. Example, I work items that I following in any one work item. Work items that I mentioned, no. Work items recently updates. Okay, and I click again on column options and example include the other option iteration path. I will click here and up this column, okay, and I can order of this column. Okay, thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.